Hello and welcome to the unboxing of the Newnik V108 Vaporizer. This is a vaporizer for personal use. It is perfect for aromatherapy and it's for healthy and effective regimen. It's for skin of all ages and stages. It also comes with a lot of attachment, and you will also notice this is what the vaporizer is going to look like. So there's some BEAUTYCARE benefits written over here of steam inhalation of vaporizers. This is the main unit: face mask, nasal mask, measuring cup and aroma tray. Product feature: a form of pure steam, shock-proof LED power indicator, steam controller, exhale outlet, specially designed nasal mask, 2-level of heating control and auto power off. Okay, power 120 watts. So the main unit has a 120 watt motor inside and weight is 800 grams. It's not much at all. I'll now open this and show you what's inside. Right at the bat, we have a user manual for the V108 Vaporizer. As you can see, this booklet, you will find a lot of things: operating instructions, safety precautions, and also warranty. So this is a very important document. You should keep this safe. Let's take a look at what's in this box. So here we are. These are the components of the box. One second. There you go. These are the components of the box. This is your face mask. This is by the way, this is made out of plastic. All the components are made out of plastic, but they're solid ABS plastic. This is the face mask. So this is the most important mask. This will cover your entire face. So if you have, say, a bad headache, you have sinus and blocked nose, so this will clear all of those things out. There's also this cap for this. This cap basically goes in over here, like so. This is to prevent strong odors from coming out if you're using, any kind of aroma-based oil or something like that. Speaking of aroma-based oil, this is the aroma tray. So you can use this you can use this as a base as well. Okay, what else do we have? The next attachment is this mask. This is the nasal mask. This mask is to be used when you have, a blocked nose or something like that. This will only focus one zone at a time. We also have a measuring cup. This is a measuring cup that will hold 50 milliliters of water. And finally, we have the main unit. This is the 120 watt vaporizing main unit. It comes with 2 heat settings, as you can see, and also an LED indicator. We have a flat TP wire at the end with a 2-pin plug as well. This is the heating element. This is where you pour water. So once you've poured water over here, you put this on top, and then in a while vapors will start coming out, and then you start inhaling those vapors for your own, for your need, to cure yourself of whatever ailment that you have. This too is made out of plastic. This is also solid ABS plastic, and it's very light, super lightweight. And this is it. This is what you'll find inside the box containing the Newnik V108 Vaporizer. Thank you for watching.